kabarun talaga na mo kami pakutukutuku na wali. Ano mo?
This is the fourth day of my tour in the West.
And it's been a privilege being in the Western Division, meeting a lot of people and knowing that we are able to use the resources of government to make their lives better. The projects, the services and infrastructure that my government is opening here in the West and all over the country are designed to do just that. They are targeting the people in this country who work hard every day, the people who sacrifice so that the children can be well fed, well clothed, and well educated. The people who struggle to maintain small business or do well in their job, and the people who must think hard about every purchase they make to be sure they get good value for every cent they spend. I'm on this tour with government officials and ministers because Fiji's economic success isn't only because of the big businesses in Suva and Lautoka and Nandi. It is because of all of us. Every Fijian in their own way is making daily contributions to Fiji and the Fijian economy and helping us develop in ways that seemed impossible a generation ago. And you, the people of Fiji, deserve every effort that my government can make to help you improve your quality of life to the level you want, on a par with that of our Fijians living in larger, more developed regions. It is a long effort, and it will not happen overnight. But we will take the steps together. Government will create the infrastructure and the programs to create equal opportunity, but the rest will be the product of your own ingenuity, ambition, and sweat. I've also had the chance to visit a number of schools here in the West, and each time I do it, it reminds what I love most about my job. I have 6 children and 16 grandchildren, and I know how valuable education has been and is in their lives. So every time I have a chance to improve the classroom experience for our students in Fiji, it brings me a lot of joy. Here at the Natutale Primary School, you are in a beautiful location, but it is also a remote location, and that can make it difficult to provide much needed services and support. That is why schools such as yours require special attention from my government. The quality of your education should never be decided based on where someone chooses to call home. For generations, many of you have lived there in Natutale. So it is my government's job to come to you and not the other way around for you to come to us. It is my duty as Prime Minister to make sure that your school and the community receive as much assistance as needed to give your students the same opportunities in life as anywhere else in our islands. The VSAT system that I'm opening today has been funded at a cost of $20,000, 307. We've secured this funding for your school because we want you to remain connected to the rest of the country and the rest of the world. This simple project is one way to lessen the isolation of living in the highlands and opening new pathways of learning for your children. Through modern communication, we truly begin to create one Fiji for our children, for the teachers who are giving them the skills they will need for productive adulthood, and for this community. Communications is a major key in keeping your students and teacher up to date on new policies, on new materials and developments from across the nation. Your school now has the ability to make calls and access the internet, a vast wealth of knowledge that will better your education. In the age we live in today, information is the greatest advantage our students can have. Now you can receive new information the moment it becomes available and use it to enhance your learning and development. this can become the most powerful academic tool at your disposal. So I encourage you to integrate this technology into your curriculum as best as you can and as soon as you can. Ladies and gentlemen, these two have also been spreading the word on how Fiji will choose the new national flag. The deadline for flag design submission has been extended until 29th of February, and in March we will choose 5 final designs and then consult the public before raising our new flag on Constitution Day, which is 7th of September. Teachers and students of Natutale Primary School, with this new VSAT, with this new VSAT system, you can stay engaged in this new flag selection process, one of the many new advantages it will bring. I hope you will treat this new equipment with the respect it deserves and achieve everything it will allow you to do. Thank you, and we'll never